Okay, here I come again with another lesson on learning to read, write and speak Urdu. Today we will first be practicing the words that we learned yesterday, and the words we learned in yesterday's lesson were Yasir, Lal. The spellings of this word in Urdu are Alif Mada, Meem, Alif Mada. Alif Mada is a variation of Alif and it has Mada on it. This shape is called Mada. Alif Mada, Meem, The next word that we studied was Yasir. Ye Alif Ya, Sin Re Sar Yasir. This is its spellings are Ye, and this is the short form of Ye, which is going to join with Alif and form Yas, Ya. Ye Alif Ya, Sin Re Sar Yasir. Yasir is a boy's name. And Lal, Lam, Alif, Lal, Lal. Lam, Alif, Lal, Lal. This is the short form of Lam, and it is going to join with Alif to form La, La, L, La, L, Lal. So in yesterday's lesson we learned three new words that were Yasir, Lal. Is mango, Yasir is a boy's name, and Lal is red. In today's lesson we will be learning three new words, and that are Taj, Te Alif Ta, Jim, Taj. Te, this is the short form of Te, which is going to join with Alif. Te Alif Ta, Jim, Taj. Te, here you see here that Te, till here it is Te, and from here it is Alif. Taj. The second word is Naan. Noon Alif Na, Noon, Naan. This is Noon, and this is its short form, and Alif is going to be joined with this short form of Noon to form this Noon Alif Na, Noon. Noon Alif Na, Noon, Naan. And the next word is Gajar. Gaf, Alif Ka, Jim Re Jir, Gajar. This is Gaf. This is short form of Gaf, which is going to join with Alif to form Ga, and Jim and Re. Jim is, this is short form of Jim, which is going to join with Re. Gajar. Gafil, Ga, Jim, Re, Jar, Gajar. So these are the three words that we are going to practice today. That is Taj, Naan, Gajar. We are going to read these words in sentences also in our book. Taj means crown, Naan means bread, and Gajar means carrot. So yesterday's words were Yasir, Lal, and today we will be practicing Taj, Naan, Gajar. Let's read these words in the lesson today. Today's lesson we are going to read Taj, which is crown, Naan, which is bread, Gajar, which is carrot. Let's see the short sentences with these words. The first is Yasir, Gana, Ga. Gana, Kaf alf Ga, Noon alf Na. As we read here, Ga, Gaf alf Ga, Gaf alf Ga, Noon alf Na. We combined these two words, Ga, Na, to form this word, Gana. Yasir, Gana, Ga. Yasir, sing song. Yasir, sing song. Yasir, sing song. Yasir, Gana, Ga. Then Ga, Yasir, Ga. Sing, Yasir, sing. Yasir, Aya. Yasir came. Alif Mada, Yalif Ya, Aya. And then Gana, Gaya. Gafal Ga, Nunuf Na, Gana. Gafal Ga, Yalif Ya, Gaya. So these are the four sentences, simple sentences which we have learned with these simple words that we have learned today. Yasir, Gana, Ga. Ga, Yasir, Ga. Yasir, Aya, Gana, Gaya. Yasir, sing song. Sing, Yasir, sing. Yasir came, sang song. So this is our lesson for today. Hope you will be benefiting from it. See you soon in the next lesson. Bye bye.